Last night, I took a little trip to Tuesday morning looking for signature Barbies, and I found a few. Let me show you. Ta-da! Okay, maybe it's more than a few. Here is Barbie's signature Welcome Baby. With an estimated value of $20.99, we got this doll for $14.99. I picked up this doll mainly for the outfit. Just looking at the box, you can tell she has the basic 5 points of articulation, but the lace on that top is just too much. Let's take her out of the box for a closer look. Warning! Doll collectors who like to keep their dolls in mint condition. I unbox everything and usually take off their clothes and switch things around, so you have been warned. Okay, now the unboxing. Out of the box, she comes with a certificate of authenticity, a doll stand, and a cute little gift bag with tissue paper. I love this! She has blonde hair with bangs, wears a white top with a lace overlay, a collar, and a large bow. The skirt is blue with a lace overlay. She has a plastic metallic bracelet and silver heels. This doll does have the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. The clothes are 2 separate pieces and they have Velcro in the back, so it would be very easy to transfer this outfit to an articulated Barbie. And I take that back, it wasn't an easy transfer. This skirt is made for the Barbie basic body, which is a little smaller than your classic Barbie body, so it was very snug trying to get it on. The top pulls a little in the back as well, and be very careful about that Velcro touching this lace. They're not friends. Here is Queen Hippolyta from Wonder Woman! I was so happy to see this doll in the store. I have wanted her for so long. I am a huge fan of Wonder Woman, and I love how all the dolls came out with different face sculpts, with a likeness that resembles the actress. Hippolyta is the mother of Wonder Woman and the queen of the Amazon goddesses. This doll has a value of $44.95, and we got it for $19.99. Out of the box, she comes with a certificate, a doll stand that has one bracket that attaches to the upper leg. She has blonde hair that has a few braids. Out of the box, it may require a little TLC. She is dressed in gold-colored armor. There is a headpiece that is sewn on, shoulder armor that is attached with brackets, cuffs that can be removed. However, I do not see an easy way to remove the body armor. It goes all the way around and the only seams are on the sides. And I don't think they want to come apart. We would have to do a little surgery for that. There is a faux animal skin skirt hanging down. She has tall gold boots, a sword. I like the shield. It looks like antique brass, but it is made of plastic, and there are elastic straps in the back so you can place it on her arm. She has a long cape with a fur collar, and she has pretty decent articulation with those made-to-move elbows and knees. However, there is no joint at the upper arm or the upper thigh. And I'm guessing there's not one around the torso since this armor doesn't bend. If you look closely at her legs, you can see some muscle tone, which is pretty cool. One hand is curved to hold a sword, and the other one is a fist. I really like her face sculpt, but I wish the armor was easier to remove. I might have to play around with that. From the Barbie Collector Silver label, here is the Andy Warhol doll. With a value of $50, we got it for $29.99. I like this face sculpt. Those earrings are talking to me. And this outfit gives you a lot of options to mix and match with other pieces in your collection. On the back of the box, it says Andy Warhol, art is what you can get away with. Okay, Andy Warhol was an artist who created the famous Campbell soup cans paintings, which was the inspiration for this look. She has blonde hair with a little wave to it. I like the side part in the front. Her eye makeup is very dramatic. She has long, dangly earrings, which have been sewn to the coat. She wears a faux fur animal print coat that is lined on the inside. I am always impressed when things are lined. The top has no stretch. It is similar to our DIY graphic tee video, and her body is wrapped in plastic underneath, which makes me think that there's a possibility that the ink may transfer onto the dolls. So I might put this outfit on a doll with a darker skin tone so I don't have to worry about that. She has black leggings and white faux leather boots. Check out that heel. She comes with a doll stand and a certificate of authenticity. It's not quite what I was expecting, but I think we got some great pieces out of this. I love the coat, I love her face and the earrings, and the boots are really cool. I would like to try to recreate something like that. From Barbie Collector Gold Label, here is another Andy Warhol doll. With an estimated value of $75, we got this one for $49.99. The third doll produced in collaboration with the Andy Warhol Foundation is the definitive celebration of two fabulously unforgettable pop culture icons. Honoring this artist's colorful vision and his muse's innate sense of style, this Barbie doll stands beautifully in a floor-length strapless gown, printed with the original Warhol Barbie portrait created by the artist in 1986. On the back of the box, it also says that they used the 1984 classic Peaches and Cream Barbie face sculpt, because that was also the one that was in the painting. She has a long pink faux fur stole with blue lining. Love the lining! Blue heels covered in glitter, rhinestone jewelry, painted nails, and her hair is styled in large curls. It appears that she has a Barbie basic body, but she does have articulated elbows and wrist. And the dress uses snaps in the back instead of Velcro. She comes with a doll stand and a certificate of authenticity. So here we have two Andy Warhol dolls. This one cost more than this one. The articulation is not the same. She has more articulation than this one because her knees bend. And she has a joint at the ribs, allowing her to bend from side to side. But her dress is lined, and so is her stole. And here is one of the most beautiful doll boxes I have ever seen. Oscar de la Renta. With a suggested value of $175, the Tuesday morning price was $69.99, but we got an additional $20 off because it was on sale, so we only paid $49.99. Remove the outer cover. It opens from the side to reveal the Oscar de la Renta Barbie from Barbie Collector Gold Label. On the back of the box, it says, "My designs are known for their beautiful ornamentation, details, fabric, and embroideries, which are never more important than on a wedding dress." This Barbie is inspired by the something blue bridal look. She comes with a certificate of authenticity, a doll stand. Let's take a moment to admire those beautiful little shoes. She has painted toenails and fingernails. She has a Barbie basic body with 5 points of articulation. Her earrings are made of metal and can be removed. It's almost like they gave her real earrings. She wears a wedding ring, holds a fabric bouquet. The dress is strapless, goes all the way down to the knee, then it flares out, stopping near the bottom of the doll stand. There is a blue train tied at the waist. The ribbon makes a little bow in the front. This is several layers of tulle sewn onto a blue sheer fabric. The dress is covered in lace with a little ornament at the top. It has little pearls on it. There are beads going down the back of the dress, and her hair is styled in a bun. There is a lot of detail on this dress. I'm gonna say that one of my favorite things is the fact that she has real earrings. And I used to do this for our American Girls a long time ago, and it's brilliant for our Barbies. We can go to Walmart and get a pack of earrings. This pack was $4.88 for 9 pairs, and I'm gonna use the teeny tiny studs, and I'm just gonna place it right in the factory-made hole. Now this works best for dolls with small ear piercings or ones that you've pierced yourself. And now our Luciana has some beautiful earrings to go with her new outfit. And if we switch out this baby gift bag for a wedding gift, then she could be a guest for the ceremony. I love all of this lace, blue, and white. Beautiful wedding colors. Oh boy, looks like the Andy Warhol doll is trying to upstage the bride. Well, you know, that stole is fabulous. I love Tuesday morning because we can find signature Barbies at discounted prices, so I don't feel too bad about switching them up. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at our Tuesday morning haul. Let us know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.